If you want to learn how to embed a link in Google Doc, this tutorial is for you. So I've opened a new Google Doc, and let's say I want to embed a link into my weekly productivity plan. So what I do is that I have a link, I have a website here, which is my design website. So I'm just going to copy the link. I'll click on Ctrl C, right, for Windows. But if you're using Mac, that will be Command C. Ctrl C for Windows, right? I'll go back to my productivity plan doc file. So remember, we want to embed a link on my weekly productivity plan. This. So what we do is we would highlight the expression or the text that we want to embed a link in. And the next thing we want to do is to come on the link, insert link icon or feature at the top, menu. So you click on insert link. Then in this box that says search or paste a link, you can now type, Control V to drop the link that you just copied. And you can now click on apply. And by doing so, you successfully embedded a link into my weekly productivity plan. And this link is clickable. If you want to click on this link, just hover on it and tap it. Hover on it. I've removed the hover like this. So if you want to click the link, just hover your cursor on it. Once it is at the middle or any place, just type on it. Then you can now click on it. If you click on it, it will take you to that website. And that's it. That's taking me to the website that I copied the link from. So this is basically how you embed a link in Google Doc. If you want to remove the link as well, it's simple. Just highlight the text again and click on this remove link. Click on remove. And that's it. The link has been removed. If you find this video valuable, ensure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.